Hello everyone, we welcome you to the Department of Mechanical Engineering at the RNS Institute of Technology. We focus on building strong engineering skills along with design thinking, research, innovation and entrepreneurial exposure. We have young, energetic and highly experienced faculty who have done PhD from reputed institutes like IISc, NITs, VTU, and they are involved in research innovation activity across the department. Our curriculum covers key areas such as design, thermal, manufacturing, materials, and management, along with advanced topics like AI, robotics, IoT, and machine learning. Students gain hands-on experience in our laboratories, along with experiential learning and innovative activities in terms of doing their project, along with solving real-life problems. We emphasize practical learning through experiential learning mode, along with the Center of Excellence which has been established by Toyota and Bosch. And students gain experience through these advanced topics. And our faculties are guiding them through URF and RA scheme, which is an initiative of RNSIT. Graduates from our department are pursuing their career in core industries and higher studies in reputed universities and also entrepreneurship. And around 85% of our students have been placed over the last 5 years. At our mechanical department, we create engineers who create, design and innovate for the future using advanced technologies like IoT, robotics and machine learning.